everybody, and I'm here at Kent bus station in Salt River in Cape Town, and I'm using the MyCiTi bus today to go to Adderley station. It's a beautiful trip to get there. It doesn't take that long, and these buses are on time, extremely efficient and very cost effective to use. In Cape Town we have two major bus services. The one is called the Golden Arrow, the other one the MyCiTi bus. I see a blue bus doing the rounds. I don't know what that's all about. I haven't seen that ever before. Then we have the minibus taxis that you can use, and or take your own car. But today I want to show you a little bit of the bus system in South Africa, and you need this card. Now these cards you can only buy at selected stops in Cape Town. So at the Adderley one in city centre of Cape Town is an easy and safe and convenient place for you to buy your MyCiTi bus card. It costs 40 Rand, and then you can load any amount of money on it. They do have an app where you can use the fare calculator to see how much it's going to cost you from one stop to the other. And they also have a monthly pass that's 1,000 Rand, and you can tap it as many times as you wish. So yeah, let's wait for the bus to come. All right, well, let's go. Morning, driver. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, everybody. I can earn money from it, and I can keep on making content. Can you see through the window? That's Table Mountain right over there. Now this is the 102 Salt River bus. So if you are staying in Woodstock or Observatory, you can take this bus and get off wherever you want. You can also transfer to the Golden Arrow if you're going a little bit further. Yeah. I just want to say in the driver's defense that I did speed up the video a little bit, so he's not speeding. Part of the city that we are traveling through now is called Woodstock. This is one of the oldest suburbs in Cape Town city. It used to be an industrial area. Today it is this awesome place full of art, shops, design, food, culture. My goodness, you have Victorian style buildings. My tongue doesn't want to work this morning. And you have old famous places like the old biscuit mill. I will make a video for you, about that. So really, Woodstock is such an awesome place. If you visit Cape Town, make sure to visit it too. Now the question I always get is it safe? Well, being to so many countries in the world, I can tell you this, okay, Cape Town is no less safe than anywhere else in the world. You have to be vigilant in most countries where you go today. It's not like 10 years ago where you can just go wherever you want, do whatever you want. Just be vigilant and you'll be perfectly fine. Now, since this is a how to use the bus video, you have to tap in and tap out on that device in the bus at your smaller bus stops. But when we get to the larger ones, you will see what to do there. So later on the video, I will show you. Wait for this guy. Oh. You're going to be in my YouTube video. But just to be clear, you don't tap at every stop. You tap when you get on the bus and you transfer buses at the large bus stops. you just keep on going. You're going to tap out at your final destination. Unless you switch buses at the small bus stops. Maybe I'm confusing you at the moment. I'm not sure. But look at these buildings. It's so unique. I love it. I love this part of the city. It's really so full of art and these designer coffee shops and everything, and very, very unique food from all over. Very vibrant, a lot going on here. The stunning view of the city and the harbour, and you see this park in front of us now. So Cape Town has a lot of these parks. You will see the gym equipment there. You can gym outside, small little pathways, a lot of people walking their dogs. It's a great place for cycling. It's got cycling tracks all over. It's a great place just to jog or walk around. Definitely a lot of outdoorsy things to do here. Now, if you see that section of the ocean, it makes like a sort of it forms a type of a cove, and around that circle, that's where you get Blauberg Strand. I'm not sure how they pronounce it in English. It should be Afrikaans, Blauberg Strand. And when you're on that side of the city, I will also make some videos for you on that side, because I'm moving that side. You have great views of Table Mountain. And this part of the city is where we're going to go now. It's going to give you good views over the harbour and the port of Cape Town. And then we're also going to go past the Castle of Good Hope. I'm not going to go into politics, I'm just giving you history. So this section that we're going into, this part of Cape Town, this is District 6. However, the apartheid regime back in 1966 renamed it to Zonnebloem, meaning sunflower. It's terrible what happened here. People were forcefully removed. Over 60,000 people. You know, it's all about slavery and horrible things happening. I'm not going to go into details. Today, this is just a type of a barren land. It's just screaming at you everything that happened back then. It's slowly being rebuilt, but yeah, very, very slowly. And you will still see, not so much in this video, but you know, a lot of squatting going on here. And there is a small part of it that I will go and walk through for you because it's fairly safe. I will not call this the safest area to be, especially when you find the homeless people. I recommend that you stay clear of that, even locals too, because of the poverty, they might see you as an easy target to get some money off of you or something that they could possibly sell. So just be extremely vigilant in this area. There is a beautiful museum that you can go and visit. It is called the District 6 Museum, and if you go on a guided tour through this area, it's perfectly safe. Now here on the corner, you will see this is the castle of, oh, there's a golden arrow bus. That's what they look like. This is the castle of Good Hope. Definitely worth a visit. They have guided tours there, and they also shoot the cannons at certain times of the day. We are going into the city centre now of Cape Town. Well, not the city centre per se, but we're going into Cape Town now. And yeah, on this side, this is the Grand Parade. I'll also make a video of that and tell you more about that, but not just now. And on the other side, here is the Central Library. It's coming up here on the corner, and they have free Wi-Fi. Alright, now next to this building is the Cape Town City Hall, which is a magnificent building. It is absolutely gorgeous, look at that. And we have this bronze statue of Nelson Mandela. Wait for it, there he is. Okay, so we are now in the city, the center of Cape Town City, and very close to Adderley Station. So if you just hang on for a little bit, then I will show you what to do and how to transfer over when you get to the larger stations. Okay. Did you hear that poop? This guy with his long-term castle in his hand, he just walked straight in front of the bus. Luckily the driver saw him, otherwise he would have bumped him over. Right, here comes Adderley bus station. You can see it's like a long glass building or station. So here you can see the large bus station coming up, and when we get to these, you're not going to tap out on the bus. I'll show you how it's done. This is Adderley. Right next to it, here we have the Cape station. This is a train station. So if you need to get on the train, you can go to Adderley bus station and just get off and walk across the street and you are there. Thank you, driver. So you see, you don't tap out here. They open the door and you step right into the station. Now here you can transfer. You will see all the different platforms. You can transfer to any bus and any station. The information is there. If you're going into the city, or if you need to go to the train station, this is where you're going to tap out and you just exit the station. I am taking, I need to go to Table View, so I need to find out which platform that is. They're very helpful. You can just ask anybody working for MyCiTi. Good morning. A Table View bus, which one is it?
You're going to get it at Civic Center.
Oh, only at Civic Center, okay.
Not to get off on that bus.
Oh, okay. I'll just take the next one to Civic. Okay, thank you. Okay, so there you have it. If you have to take the MyCiTi bus, 102 Salt River bus, from Kent or Upper Salt River, anywhere in that vicinity to the Adderley bus station, that's how it's done. Okay, everybody, until next time, bye.